Cats are independent, mysterious creatures known for their curious nature and tendency to seek out quiet, secluded spots. There are effective methods to help stop your cat from hiding and encourage them to feel more confident and secure in their environment. One of the main reasons cats hide is because of stress. To reduce stress, try to create a calm, predictable environment. Keep your home quiet and free from sudden, jarring noises that might startle your cat. Establishing a routine for feeding, playtime, and petting can help your cat feel more secure, knowing that they can anticipate events in their environment. Excessive hiding can sometimes be a sign of illness or discomfort. If your cat is hiding more than usual and shows other signs like lethargy, loss of appetite, or changes in behavior, a visit to the veterinarian is crucial. Cats are masters at masking pain, and it's possible that your pet is hiding due to a physical problem. A thorough checkup can rule out any underlying health problems that might be contributing to their desire to stay hidden. Diffusers release calming pheromones that mimic a cat's natural scent, promoting a sense of security. Feliway Optimum releases an enhanced blend of calming pheromones that provide superior anxiety relief for cats. It helps reduce stress caused by changes in the environment, preventing behaviors like hiding. By promoting a sense of security, it encourages your cat to feel more comfortable and confident. The 30-day starter kit offers a continuous solution to improve your cat's emotional well-being. A cat tree offers your cat a designated space to climb, scratch, and relax, reducing stress and promoting confidence. The Petapila floor-to-ceiling cat tree provides vertical space for your cat to climb, reducing stress and encouraging exploration. Its cozy bed offers a secure resting spot, helping your cat feel safe and relaxed. The scratching post and interactive ball toy promote play, reducing anxiety-driven hiding. With understanding and compassion, you can encourage your cat to return to their curious, playful self, free from the need to hide.